नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing having Nayanadiksha in Adi Kailasa, Paschima Kailasa, Uttara Kailasa, Maha Kailasa, everywhere all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, 5th day of Paramashiva Brahmotsavam. Let's first offer our devotion to Paramashiva and then enter into the satsang.
कर्पूरनीराजनम् ॐ तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाग्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरि नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरु नित्यानन्दाय नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
Offering our devotion to Paramashiva, Mahadeva, Sadashiva. Let's enter into today's satsang. Today's subject for the webinar is Experience Divya Sharira, Divine Body. Listen. You have two major components in you. One, superconsciousness. Another one, body, matter, means chit and jata, matter and consciousness. Every particle of the matter which is manifested by the superconsciousness and still in alignment with the superconsciousness, that parts are called Divya Sarira in you. Every cell still continues to be in tune with Paramashiva. Every muscle, every part of your biology, internal organ or body, Jnanendriya or Karmendriya, still in tune with Paramashiva comfortably, with powerful cognitions, comfortably without any struggle, as a natural flow of life is Divya Sarira. Every cell which is ready to reverberate and radiate the powerful cognitions of Paramashiva is part of your Divya Sarira. Please understand. Whichever part of you comfortably manifests the powerful cognitions is your Divya Sarira. More and more powerful cognition manifestation means more and more you are becoming Divya Sarira. If your hands can manifest the highest powerful cognition, you are Paramashiva, your hands have become part of the Divya Sarira. Your eyes can manifest the truth, you are Paramashiva, your eyes have become part of Divya Sarira. Every cell in your body, if it can comfortably manifest powerful cognitions, it has become part of Divya Sarira. Pain does not exist is one of the powerful cognition because you are soul, you are consciousness, you are Paramashiva. If your hand is fractured and it does not have pain, means it is manifesting as a natural flow, the powerful cognition you are Paramashiva. Understand? You cannot act when there is a compound fracture. You can act as long as everything is well, not when there is a compound fracture. You can't be crying and telling, I'm okay. Understand? It's a natural flow. If powerful cognitions naturally flow in your system, you are Divya Sariri. You become Divya Sarira. Paramashiva beautifully says in Kriya, in Puja, there is a special ritual called making yourself Divya Sariri. You invoke every part with the sacred syllable of Paramashiva's name. Paramashiva sits on the throne made out of 54 mantra. Not 52, 54. 52 akshara, one spelled but doesn't have a script. Another one can neither be spelled nor written. So totally 54 akshara. He sits on the throne which is made of these 54 aksharas. And listen carefully. When you invoke those aksharas in the various parts of your body, with the declaration, this part of the body, let it manifest Paramashiva and His glory, His state, space, powers and being and powerful cognitions. That part becomes Divya Sarira. If you do not feel pain during the multiple compound fracture, be guaranteed your body will not stink or rot or degrade when you leave the body. It will only be Jiva Samadhi. There will not be ordinary death. The body will not have any decay. Yoga Sarira doesn't decay. You become Divya Sarira. Listen, every day during puja, sincerely take deep breath, literally go into your Anandagandha, the feet of Paramashiva, hold him and say all the mantras of Anganyasa and Karanyasa. Angushtabhyam, Darjanibhyam, Madhyamabhyam, all the Anganyasa, Karanyasa mantras. Invoke him, declare Paramashivoham, the highest powerful cognition, state, space, powers and being of Paramashiva manifest in this each part of this body. Let it flow as a natural flow in this body. Let this body become Divya Sarira. Do this every day. I guarantee you will become Divya Sariri. Understand, there are some initiations I can give you using this physical body. There are some initiations I can give you using my dream body. Swapna Sarira. There are some initiations I can give you using my Sushupti, deep sleep body. There are some initiations I can give you using my Turiya Sarira. There are some initiations I can give you using my Turyadita Sarira. Understand? This whole Paramashivogam I am going to conduct using my Turyadita Sarira through that 7D hologram. That is my Divya Sarira, through which I am going to manifest. The power manifestation is going to be 100 times more intense in quantity and quality both. I'm not joking. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not giving you false promise. I'm not overcommitting. I'm responsible for what I am uttering. There is a reason why I am doing, why I am made to do Paramashivoham through Divya Sarira. Understand? Only if you are blessed, chosen by Kalabhairava, you will be able to make it for Paramashivoham. Pray to Paramashiva to give you the possibility. It's not just money going to open the doors. I think you need to start connecting with him, praying to him, asking him. Only then he's going to open the doors, open himself to you. It is too big happening. It is going to be too big happening super consciously to manifest Paramashivoham for human beings on the planet Earth. I tell you, when you leave the physical body, it is your Divya Sarira that goes to Kailasa. If you have the full body as Divya Sarira, only then the full body can go to Kailasa. Reach the space of Kailasa. Only if your head has become Divya Sarira and other remaining part has not yet become Divya Sarira, you have to come back. Take one more body. Till you make the whole body into Divya Sarira, you have to be in the human body. Paramashiva gives one boon in Agamas. After you leave the body, if Shivalinga is installed on your body, means your body is buried and Shivalinga is installed, or your body is cremated, burnt to ashes, and on the ashes the Shivalinga is installed. As long as that Shivalinga is worshipped without being removed or damaged or destroyed, you will have space in Kailasa. This is like an exemption he gives as a boon. That is why in all major Hindu pilgrimage centers, the Linga Pratishta is too important. Soon, I'll offer this service even to Grihasthas and devotees and disciples who are not Adinavasis also in our Adi Kailasa. Understand? As of now, we don't have enough place to accommodate non-Adinavasis or non-Sannyasis. We have enough place only to accommodate Samadhis for Adinavasis and our own Sannyasis. But very soon, I am going to open the doors of Adi Kailasa. You can have your own Samadhi in Adi Kailasa. Wait for the announcements to have your own Samadhi in Adi Kailasa after you leave the body and have permanent Divya Sarira in Kailasa. The service need to be provided with a lot of integrity. That is why I'm taking little time before making the announcements. Once we are ready with the infrastructure needed, I'll make the announcements. The service which Paramashiva guarantees in Agama, I should be providing. It's my responsibility. Soon I'll make it happen. Anyway, let me come back to this subject, Divya Sarira. I'm going to use my Divya Sarira to make your whole body as Divya Sarira. I'm going to use detoxification methods, Aushada, Mani Mantra Aushada, Yoga, Kriya, Jnana, power manifestation, lifestyle, Charya, right food, everything. Everything. All the ultimate things Paramashiva has revealed, I'm incorporating and making this as user-friendly, direct applied methodology and technology. The scriptural truths, Shastra Pramana, and enlightened beings' revelations, Apta Pramana, and my own personal experience, Atma Pramana, all these will become your Pratyaksha Pramana, experience, and you will manifest all of this as Sakshi Pramana. Your life will become Sakshi Pramana for all these great Pramanas after the program. Scriptural truths, the Shastra Pramana revealed by Paramashiva, Apta Pramana, the revelations of the enlightened ones, incarnations of Paramashiva, and my own experience, Atma Pramana. All these three will be made as Pratyaksha Pramana, immediate experience, real experience for you. So all these four will manifest as Sakshi Pramana in your life after this program. This is the essence of Paramashivoham. Get ready to taste Paramashiva's Divya Sarira. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.